Introducing the signature contemporary range. Ultra-slim profiled aluminium clad wood windows and doors, crafted to meet the demanding principles of modern architecture. Large expansive glazing and narrow sightlines allow for deeper connections with the outdoors, bringing an abundance of natural light into your home. Floor-to-ceiling glass, minimal frames, and nearly unlimited shapes and sizes combine to create open, light-filled modern spaces. Our advanced next-generation frame design reimagines how these premium windows perform. The innovative polymer thermal break between the wood and aluminium vastly improves both thermal performance and water tightness. Unwanted water is unable to touch the wood interior. Achieve U values as low as 0.65, exceptional air tightness performance, and a water tightness rating of 1,200 pascals, which is twice the rating of most other Aluclad windows. This next-generation performance is achieved while maintaining an ultra-slim profile. Minimal framing combined with large, uninterrupted openings maximizes the amount of beautiful, natural light into your home. Signature provides you with the opportunity to customize your contemporary windows and doors with virtually unlimited design options such as shapes, colors, and hardware. Create an architectural focal point in your home with some of the largest bespoke sizes available in the Irish market. All our windows and doors are backed by a comprehensive 10-year warranty that covers both the product and installation. This is our promise to you, that your new premium window and door investment will look and function as expected for years to come.